Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the laptop. Make sure the sensor is clean and drivers are current, and plug the machine into power to avoid interruptions. Once you're signed into an administrator account, open Settings and go to Accounts, then Sign in Options. This is where Fingerprint setup lives. Click Add a fingerprint and follow the on-screen prompts. Use the center of the pad and keep your finger relaxed. This reduces read errors and speeds up enrollment. Don't rush the first scans. Now you'll capture the fingerprint by placing and lifting your finger several times. Start flat, then roll slightly to include edges. This builds a fuller template. Once done, the system will often ask for multiple passes. Complete them until it confirms adequate coverage. Make sure you vary pressure and angle a bit, because fingerprints change with moisture and position. After confirmation, name the fingerprint or assign it to a user, and consider enrolling a second finger to avoid lockouts later. Finish by testing lock and unlock, and then sign out to verify reliability. If the reader fails, clean the sensor and retry. Improper placement is the most common issue. Once done, enable related options like Windows Hello PIN as a fallback. If errors persist, remove and re-enroll the fingerprint or update the driver. Re-enrollment often fixes template quality problems. Troubleshooting tip: if more than about 10% of attempts fail, re-enroll with slightly different angles and pressure to improve recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.